Tate nukampam shushimikshamano Panjane vatmana kritam vipakam Ridvag vapubir viradan namaste Jivaitayo mukti pade sadayabak. Brahmaji Stuti. Very important. We once gave classes, I think they got lost. We gave classes one Kartik and all Brahma Stuti or Tikas. Well, I don't think they were recorded. And I don't feel like doing it again. You get revved up to do something, then that's that. So this is it. He accepts that whatever someone doesn't like me and is angry towards me, it's my own fault. It's my prarabdha karmas. The devotee is maitra. He shows affectionate even towards his enemies. Why? Because he knows that inside their heart is Krishna. And he's compassionate, karuna, and he laments for persons who are suffering, thinking that no one should suffer for any reason. He is nirmama, he's devoid of possessiveness of objects or body, thinking that those things are transformations belonging to Prakriti and not to himself. He does not think that any of these things are himself, nirahankara. So, as one continues to practice bhakti bhajan in the proper way under the shelter of Krishna and Guru, then these qualities will arise within one without much separate endeavor. As bhakti increases, then Krishna gives all the intelligence of how to be detached and how to not identify and how to truly be nirmama. Otherwise it's just some word and some contextual understanding with your brain. It won't get you very far. You can analyze the word, the Sanskrit, nirmama, and all what it means. But it becomes very easy when the magic of bhakti manifests in your heart.